Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel, Jewelry Pirate. This is Barbara. I have a box to open up for you guys. I have the camera set up a little bit different here, just so I can show you that this is one of the boxes that I have gotten a long time ago. And I'm going to open it up tonight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this box up, and then whatever's inside, I'm going to set it up here. And then I will rearrange the camera and we will turn around and go through what we see. I don't know what kind of style of jewelry is in here. I don't know how much is in here, and I don't know how old this box is, but I know it's got to be probably 4 years old. This one came from the craft room, and that pile's been sitting there for a long time. Anyway, I'm going to open the top of the box up and see what could be in here. This is that tape that's got the threads in it. Okay, here's the bag. There's no receipt in here, so I can't tell you from there what it could possibly be. Get rid of this box. And give me a minute. Okay, I pulled out a bunch of the jewelry. This is only a partial of it. And from what I can see, I think this is boho. So let's start going through this. Let me remind you, okay, please like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be informed when I upload a new video. Okay, this looks pretty interesting. And there's a lot more. All right, let's see how these go. These are backwards. We have these earrings. They're feathers. They're very pretty. They're brand new on the card. My favorite color, purple. Okay, put those over here. This is an absolutely gorgeous cup. A little sticky. I'm going to have to wipe it down. Great condition. Average size. This is all inlaid brass circle. This is a design with 3 things that go out to here. Now remember, I still have a little bit more of those earrings to do, and I just found another box of earrings and another box. So yes, this is pretty. Wow, this is some heavy cuff. Small wrist. Very pretty. Can you see the design on this? Put it on this hand here so that it's not with all the other. Very pretty. This is also well made. This is not something you can't even bend it. Very, very well made. Okay. Okay, we have this. This is really pretty. This is wood. These look like, they're not mirrors, but they have that finish on it. It's got a large spring ring clasp. I'll give you a measurement. I think I pulled out too much jewelry here. Okay, the pendant, which is mother of pearl, it's inlaid mother of pearl, is 2 3/4 inches tall, and it is almost 2.5 inches wide. I would say it's probably more like 2 1/4. The necklace itself, 22 inches. I'll show you up close. This is actually very, very pretty. That's the pendant. We'll start it this way, and you can see, and I already showed you the clasp. Very, very, very pretty piece of jewelry here. Let me see if I can raise this up just a tiny bit. Very nice. Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me. My little dog Daphne is into something here. No. No. Okay. This is New York and Company. It's a triple strand necklace. I need to take it, undo it. These are all glass seed beads. Let's see if I can get this so that it's right. Okay. I don't know what you all thought about that really pretty organic short that I did on the lion. That was a very, very pretty necklace. Okay, this is a good time for this because it's fall. All right, so we have the wooden thing. We have the glass beads. Like I said, New York and Company. I would say that's at least a 3-inch extender with a teardrop on the end. And this has this little bead going down in the center. These are pearlescent. Let me give you a measurement. I have a feeling that this is going to hang, 16 inches. This is going to hang like right in the middle of your, before your cleavage, up high before your cleavage, underneath your collarbone. Very, very pretty. Okay. Let's see what this is here. These things come out of the bag. It's almost scary when you open them up. This is really nice. Okay. This is a triple strand. Let's see here. I can get it right. What's the center strand? Let's see if that's better. There we go. Well, it's close. All right, so we have, these are wooden, and they're in different colors, which are a tan. We'll put this up. This is the way it's going to lay. Hoping you can see this. And we got purple, dark color. It's almost like a maroon. And then the tan color, and then the beads. Length on this. Okay. Let's say 22, 23, and 24. This is really pretty. Everything I'm showing you here are going to be very nice pieces for the fall. And everybody, that's a real short time away from right now. Okay, I think this is really nice, and it's not heavy, so it'll be a very comfortable piece to wear. All right, this is interesting. Let's see if I can get these over to the side so that you can see a little bit better. Let me get rid of those. All right, this here. Let me see how this goes. Something's not right here. Okay, this is the way this goes. This is an interesting piece. This is your necklace up here on top. It has a loop. You can shorten it and make it as long as or short as you want. Most of this is wood. Some of it's coconut. Your pendants here are coconuts. This is the part that hangs down, which is your pendant. Let me measure that for you. It's just long. The pendant part itself is going to hang down 10 inches. Okay. And, well, no, it's a little bit less than that. I've measured it up to here. Hang on. Sorry about that. 7 inches. The necklace part, which is here, and you can make this shorter, 22 inches. So you have a 22-inch necklace, this part here, wooden beads, and there is some coconut in here, and they're really laid out nice, very beautiful. And then you have your long pendant hanging down. This is a very pretty necklace. It's going to take us a while to get through all this stuff. There's a lot here. All right, stretch bracelet, and this is stretched up. This is very good condition. This is going to be, I think, will fit. Fits me. Because of the stretch, I think it'll fit somebody larger. These are beautiful wood. They're absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you can see all the beautiful green and all the wood on this, and the shape. I haven't had a bracelet this shape ever before in all the bags or boxes or jars that I've ever had. This is really nice. And like I said, because of the stretch, and the stretch is a cloth stretch, it's going to last a long time. Okay. It should fit somebody with not a monster wrist, but a larger wrist. Okay, fits me nice. I like the way it's just really, really nice. It fits me tight. Okay. Now we also have this. This looks like ebony wood. This is small. Okay. Pretty. You want to see a gorgeous piece? Look at this. Now I'll give you a measurement of this one across. 2 3/4 across. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness. Smaller side. That's beautiful. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got another one of these bracelets, only this one, again, this is very strong. These two would probably go together. Why do you keep going to this wrist? This is small. So if you have a small wrist and you want a nice bracelet, And this is a sort of a gunmetal or an antique color. It's different. It's in between. If I show you alongside of this, it's the kind of same pattern, but it's a different color. It's a nice bracelet. Wow, I love this. This has got an oriental bead with different sayings carved into it. It's heavy, so it's stone and glass, and I think there's a couple of pieces of wood. This is what goes on the back of your neck, so it's comfortable. Just this part here, a little bit of wood. Let me measure this for you. It's long. Okay. It's 12. 30 inches. Really beautiful. Beautiful piece. These are a matte finish, but they're not a lava bead. They're ice cold. Okay. Okay, we got earrings in here, but oh, this one's nice. Let's see what kind of animals we have on here. I guess they're all supposed to be lions. These are beautiful shell pieces here. This is not so new. This has a rather older barrel clasp on it. These pieces here are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's see here. This is probably the same thing. 30 inches. The natural wood, there's the face on. I'm pretty sure they're supposed to be lions. The temperature finally broke a little bit here, but it's still started to go up again today. But we had a couple of days where it wasn't too bad. Reed was away for the 4 days, go down to see his new grandson. So I was kind of sorry I didn't get any videos out, but I was pretty busy taking care of all the things that I had to take care of around the house, and I'm not that well to be able to handle 6 monsters, and Pugzilla's there. So I would set it up, and then something would happen, and I didn't get to doing the videos. So accept my apologies, but they're going to be coming again. I have lots of nice stuff. Oh, whoever did their orders with me, they're shipped out. I have a couple more people here. You're ready for me to total your orders up? Let me know. I will total them up, and I will get them shipped out within a day or two. All right, so this is a very pretty necklace. All right, I'm sure you can see that there. I love it. Okay, getting some pile over here. This is nice. This is a choker style bone, and this has a little hook. What are you doing, Daphne? Give me 1 second. Give me that. Give me that. Where is it? Sorry about that. Daphne's running around with a plastic fork in her mouth in a baggie from, we had salads from Wendy's tonight, and we use our own silverware, so the little baggie that they give you all the goodies for your salad in, she got a hold of it and she's taking it apart and running around with it. That's what I mean, Pugzillas. So this is a beautiful choker horn. Nice zebra pattern. Okay. This, I think, is bone. I love this. Wow. I don't think this is that old, but it is. It's beautiful. There's just got a barrel clasp. We'll give you a measurement. Oh God, this is really nice. 20 inches. And it graduates. Yes, definitely bone. Bone beads in between. When I get done with here, I got a couple of earrings here. I'll go in the bag if they're not in this, and I'll see if I can find them in the bag. Okay. Got that. Let me see if I can do this. This is gorgeous. Wow. What I'll do with this is I'll show it to you now, but I think I'll do a short. This is really, wow. This is gorgeous. It's got a tag on it. Let me see if it has a name. I think it says Chico's. Let me see. I could be wrong. I don't see so good. Yep, Chico's. This is beautiful. Long and lovely. It's got a lobster claw clasp. Probably a 4.5 inch extender. Let's see if I can get you some kind of, but it's going to go much longer than that. I need a bigger area. "36 inches altogether." And that's to the shortest strand on here. And then it goes down more because there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 strands. What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful piece. Very special. Okay. This is just a nice quality wood with really nice wood grain. Give you a measurement on this with all the different geometric shapes. And I'll go to the longest one on here, 18 inches, no extender. It's got a spring ring clasp. Very pretty. Okay. Now this is old, but I think it might have some issues. I'd have to look at it close. Let me see here. That's not bad. It just got a hook closure. This is all glass and metal. Another beautiful piece. Amber colored beads. Double strand. I'm going to clean this up, because this is special. $30 inches. And then it's got some of these, what do you call them? Peacock. This is dirty. I got to clean it. I can feel it in my hands. Let's put this to the side. Okay. This is a very nice necklace. Choker with the leather. I'm pretty sure it's leather. And the ties. Wood. And these are cold, so I'm wondering if they're horn. But you can see how this goes around the neck. This is all leather. Very nice. Okay. I'm not sure what this is made out of. I think it's mother of pearl. We got a wooden Hishi beads with this claw hanging off of it. I'll give you a measurement. 17-inch necklace. Very pretty. I don't know if you can see all the chatoyancy on that. Now this is most of you are not interested in these necklaces, but they are nice. This is an apple seed necklace. These are all taken out and they're processed somehow, and they make them, I don't know how they take these tiny seeds and they make these glorious necklaces out of them. Very organic. It's very pretty. A lot of people don't like these, but there is people, just like the paper beads, there's a lot of people that like these, so I'll show them anyway. It's a long necklace. This is a piece that would be good to be layered with pretty much any one of these in here. $36. Very nice. Okay, now let's see what we got here. This has got a tag on it too. I think this is another Chico's. Yep. Let me get this out of here. All right. This is really pretty. This is black and red. It's very long. It's all glass. Every bit of it. Well made. These might be wood. Let me see if I can get you a measurement. 12. $36, and it has a very long extender. Okay. Let me see real fast if I can feel for those. If not, we'll get them on the next one. I'll pull this stuff out. You can kind of look at what's coming. Ooh, this gorgeous thing. Wow. We're not doing this tonight. There's this one. Ooh, there's some really beautiful things here. Yeah, we got them. Okay, I'm going to put all this over here on the side, make sure I got everything out, and we'll do this the next time. But I wanted to show you these because these are very pretty. These are coconut, but they're carved, and there's brass put in them. They have a very nice design. They're on shepherd hooks. Very, very, very pretty. And then we have these earrings, which are gorgeous. These are wooden, and they're painted, and then they've got some gold on them. They're really pretty. Okay, everybody, I want to thank you for coming in and watching the video. I hope you're enjoying this boho lot. I am. There's truly some really nice pieces in here. Look at this one. Another lion. I hope you all have a great evening. And please don't forget to like, comment, share the video. And they put a smile on my face. And please subscribe to the channel. It makes me happy, makes me smile, and it helps the channel a whole bunch. Okay, everybody, take care. Love you guys. Bye-bye.